If you have nasolabial folds or lines hound dogging you out, or you want to prevent this as you age, then listen up. I just made the most incredible course. Finally, all 3 things you need to fade these lines, to make your face look fresh again, to make you look like you again, are in one course, and it only takes 10 minutes a day until you need it less. No one tip, no one workout, no one myofascial release is gonna fix this. You get high intensity interval training, that's HIIT. That's the type you wanna do to build back volume and pull your face back up off those lines and lift things up again. Then you want a skin safe myofascial release that won't pull on your skin like a lot of people are doing out here and sag things work. And finally, you'll practice some really simple rehydrating collagen boosting skincare and a 2-minute overnight protocol that will help fade these lines for 8 more hours overnight. I can't wait for you to see this. It just came out. Please go check it out. You will use this for a lifetime like I did. And remember, folds when you smile or express are normal, but you don't need etched in lines or deeper folds sitting there all day long, making you look older than you are or need to. That's not your aging. Let's get rid of it together.